In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use autofill in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, I am going to show you how to use autofill for date. I am typing current date and hit your mouse pointer lower right corner. When plus icon will appear, just drag and drop. The dates are auto-filled in column B. Now I am going to show you the day of week autofill. Thursday, the current day of week, Thursday. Now I am going to autofill. Click on the cell and place your mouse pointer on lower right corner of the cell. When plus icon appear, just drag and drop. The days of week are autofilled. Now I'm going to show you the month. The current month is May. Again, place your mouse pointer on lower right corner of the cell. When plus icon appear, just drag and look, month has been filled. Now number, I'm going to show you the serial number. The first one is 1 and go to second one 2. Now select both and place the mouse pointer on lower right corner. When plus icon appear, just drag below. Look, serial number autofill has been successfully done. Now I'm going to show you the even number autofill. 2, then 4. Now select both and place mouse pointer on lower right corner of second cell and drag to down. The even number has been autofilled. Now I am going to show you the odd number 1, then 3. Now select both and place your mouse pointer on the lower right corner of selected cells. Drag below. The odd numbers are autofilled successfully. This is the easiest way to use autofill in Microsoft Excel. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.